What's up YouTube, it's Louis here. I just want to share a video from my story yesterday just before we get into this quant update. So I'll show you it now and I hope you guys enjoyed today's update. Please like, subscribe and comment if you enjoy it. And yeah, enjoy. I just want to bring your attention to my Instagram story. It is private for my, people that I do know. It's not, a platform that I'm trying to explode. I'm focused on Twitter and YouTube. But yeah, here we go. Crypto in a weekly bear market since Bitcoin lost 39 to 43k with a minimal 28k target. And then under it, I said, no one will believe you until it's too late. Then I pointed out the actual date that I called that, which was the 28th of January at 37,000. And it's at that point where I sold 50% of all my crypto. And I told all the students in the chat, which you get completely for free till my bull market targets if you get the education. That means the course or the mentorship. The info is all there for free on my YouTube, but people still get surprised that we are down at 22k, although I've been warning about it for over a month. So on the 10th of May at 36k, I posted a video on this descending triangle, which was that orange line, 35,900. That was the support of it. And once we lost it, I gave you a technical target at 25.8k to 26k because it was the 1618 of a fib, as well as the M pattern or / descending triangle technical target. You can see the little picture there. And we also had a smaller target in the little picture on the left. We have a little circle signaling for 19 to 20k if 25.8k doesn't hold. And so since meeting that first target, 25.8k, I've bought lower than where I sold, back at 37. So while everyone is panic selling their life savings, I sold at 37 to buy back between 22 and 29. I've now accumulated more coins, but for the same amount of money. I haven't gone all in yet, but I haven't wasted this opportunity either. Let's see if we do get this final push down. And we did meet that 1618 at 21.8k yesterday. We actually even went down as low as 20,800 last night. So next one. When I look at this chart, all I see is up. This chart is the entire history of Bitcoin. Technically, it's never gone down, only pulled back to continue higher. Big indicator of an uptrend. So if Bitcoin, since its inception, has only gone up over the years, why are everyone panic selling or thinking of doing so? The fact is, people are lied to, being told they can get rich in a year or two. It's all nonsense. Crypto is get rich, but get rich slow. How do you win? Buy and do nothing over years. That's what I've done for the past 3. Is it easy? Fuck no. But Bitcoin is higher than it was 3 years ago when I first bought. So that's the moral of the story. And I hope today this helps one person. Thank you guys. So guys, let's get on with the video. Please watch today's Bitcoin update. Yeah, so it's very important. And if we zoom into Quant now, we actually have met some technical targets. Last time I made a video, we were in this range and we were talking about whether we were going to break up or down because we were seeing W's and M's. And I was telling you guys how M's can become W's and W's can become M's. So rather than try and guess what letter it's going to be, M or W, just wait for the breakdown. So here we go. We closed below the low of this candle, the body candle closed on this candle. Yes, technically closed on the one. Let's actually check. 61. Yeah, you did actually close up on the one. But yeah, your next candle, you can see a rejection and you closed down here and you met your 1618. And because there was such weak support, we only made a lower low and we met these two technical targets. These were also other targets. Ignoring this fib, we also had these two targets which we were talking about on the channel months back. Since we had this, since we lost this low, we basically made everyone aware of the $55 target, and we were talking about some worst case scenarios around 43, 36, and $33. This is going to come if we're seeing Bitcoin in around 20k, 19k. Now, of course, I would love for the bottom to be 19 and 20k because we have a technical target there. Make sure to go check out that video. But if that fails and if we go lower, then of course Quant is going to go lower than this $30 target, and unfortunately you don't have price action below this, so it's really annoying. The only thing I can actually say is any pullback that we do get, like this one, like we did, that like how we got these targets, that's all I can really do for you guys. So we need to wait for pullbacks to then get further downward targets. But for the moment, these are the targets on my chart. Here we got our lowest down at $33. But again, I'll just show you that fib over here. from this, that was the low, and then the next candle there. Okay, cool. So yeah, 1618 down at 35. See, you've already got targets, super extended targets. If you lose $48, which currently we're above, but again, if we're closing a daily candle below $48, then we could see 35. That would be my target. But again, this is the target of the fibs, but you also have overextended targets because the dump, or just, yeah, the dump in this scenario, because it's bearish, it could be pump if it was a bullish scenario, but the impulse, let's say, the impulse, the overextended target for this impulse is the two targets. However, the impulse should only go to the 1618, but if the impulse has a lot of momentum with it, then yes, it can go to the overextended targets because it has so much strength in the bears for this example, and that could go down to $24, $25. These are targets because these are programmed. The fib targets are always programmed. It's whether they're going to allow you to get to them. But yeah, there's always validation points. As long as we're below 48, we're going to go to the 1618. Are we below 48? No. So we're not going to the 1618. The moment we're closing a daily candle below 48, yes, we're going to the 1618.35. After hitting the 1618, if you do not want to see the $25 area, you must reclaim $48. So what do we need to go to do to meet the 1618? We need to close below $48. Then we go to the 1618. Of course, you can bounce off this 1.272 as you've done there. And if you can hold above the 1, you will not go to the 1618. So as long as we're above 48, we're not going there. Close below 48, we're going there. If you do hit the 1618, if you don't want to see 25, we need to get above 48. Exactly what you've done with this 1.272. For the moment, because you're above the 1 after hitting this target, you're not going to go to the 1618. Again, if you close below, you're going to the 1618. And after that, if you fail to get above 48 again, you're going to continue rolling down to these $24, $25, $29 technical targets, just so you guys are aware. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's update. If you have, please like, subscribe, and comment. You can probably hear I'm getting a bit more cheerful or excited in my videos because, again, I'm thinking always about my future self. The investments I'm making today, and I have been buying. I'm not all in, but I've been buying like crazy. Why? For my future self. If I zoom out for you guys, why was everyone so willing to buy up here but not down here? Why does everyone want to sell down here? It makes zero sense. Everyone knows this, but yeah, everyone wants to sell the bottom. Okay, my thinking is my future self 2 years from now, 3 years from now, 5 years from now will only thank my past self, my previous self, for buying near the bottom. Let's not say this might not be the bottom, guys. Let's be real. This might not be the bottom. But what I can be proud of, what my future self can be proud of, my past self, the self that I am present, is that I am not buying anywhere near the top. I'm buying at very close or near to the bottom. So that's why I'm so proud of myself. I'm ecstatic because I know exactly I'm doing everything for my future self. You know what I mean? What am I doing every day? I'm doing stuff that I don't really want to do. For example, do I want to be teaching 4, 5 lessons a day, one-on-one? Not really. Do I want to be doing 4, 5 YouTube videos a day? No, not really. I want to be the master of my time. How do I get there? I'm doing everything possible. I'm sacrificing all my time now, so I've got it all in the future. I don't want to wake up at 30, 40 or 50 and think, yeah, I should have used my 20s. I'm going to abuse the shit out of my 20s. This is what I've been doing since 18, 19 years old when I actually began this. Now I'm 22 this month. On the 22nd of June, I will be 22. So literally without crypto, without Forex, because I got into Forex first, then crypto. But without all this, my life would be the mess that it was back then 3 years ago. So I'm just thankful what I've done and the sacrifices that I've made. While everyone was going out partying at uni, I was there in my room just, you know, revising, but not revising uni, revising the chart. That's what I've been doing over the last 3 years. So I hope you guys enjoy all the content that I bring out for you guys. Again, I'm just trying to sacrifice all my time possible now so I don't have to work at all later on in life. And so this is what you guys should be doing, thinking of your future self, not about you now. You didn't buy crypto last year. You didn't buy crypto 6 months ago to sell today. No, you bought crypto because you thought you're going to become a millionaire. So why do you want to sell now when you're not a millionaire? What is making you want to sell? Bitcoin's not going to zero, guys. The only way Bitcoin's going to zero if you're losing 3K, and it probably wouldn't go to zero, but yeah, you're definitely wouldn't be going up anywhere for the next 5-10 years potentially if you're going below 3K. But yeah, not envisioning that, but of course prepared for every single scenario in the fucking world. So I'm not an absolute idiot getting caught off guard. We're always preparing for all the scenarios, but I'm not even worried about that at the moment, guys. I'm more focused on my future self, and I'm going to invest right now for my future self to make him proud. And what would he want? He would want you to not sell the bottom. He would want you to buy the bottom and sell the top. So what was happening up here? I know this is Quant chart, but what was happening up here? You had rocks, pictures of rocks selling for $1 million. You have these stupid Bored Ape yacht clubs, millions of dollars. And then no one wants to sell up here. Actually, people want to buy and buy and buy. And you got monkey pictures selling for over $1 million. You got rocks selling for over $1 million. You got all these stupid NFTs saying they got all these utility. You got ApeCoin coming out, which is new Dogecoin, Shiba, for fuck's sake. But and you wanted to buy. You wanted to go all in up there. But what's happening down here? Cardi B is calling a recession. All your mates are calling recession. Your hairdresser, the takeaway shop is all calling for a recession. You're gonna believe them? I bet back up here, October, November, December, whatever it was, how many of you went to the hairdressers and the barbers were actually saying, oh, I'm in Shiba, this, that? Because I personally remember going to the barber shop and this guy saying, yeah, my mate told me to get Shiba in July. It's going to go to $1. Oh my gosh. The signs were so clear. Why did I not sell then back in October, November, December? Yes, I did sell 50% in January in and around, well, Quant's a bit different, but in around 37K. And I've shown you that in today's clip. I hope you guys enjoyed today's update. Please like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.